Good afternoon, you're on ATSA channel. Today's topic is Redmi. I'm going to tell you how to make custom ringtone on Redmi. Watch and learn, it's a breeze. Like and subscribe, let's dive in. Open settings, your phone. If you want variety, you want to set your own ringtone. Open sound and vibration. Find ringtone, choose local ringtone or system, or choose system ringtones you need. Good. If you can't set a different ringtone, try the following. Open apps, find games, app permissions, open it, music and audio, allow. Select allow. After that you can make a custom ringtone.